Okay, people, here we have a Fiat 500, but a 4K, it's I think exactly the same, and a Grande Punto, same gearbox. The problem here is when the person drives the car, there is a lot of noise. Now you can clearly see there is oil in here, but what you can't see is, let me show you that beautiful differential on the gearbox. Yeah, it's quite gone, and the person just bought the car yesterday, the day before yesterday, sorry. And this is how the car came, and now he has to replace the gearbox. What do we do? This is such a nightmare. But yeah, be careful what you're buying. If you hear any noise, check it up straight away or you might lose money. Thanks for watching. Bye.